Accra is the capital city of Ghana. Today our video is to show you how Accra has been planned, so that if you are a foreigner, you can watch this video to make movement in some popular places easier. Here's an overview of how Accra's road system has been planned and developed, including strengths and challenges. Historical planning and master plans. Accra's first official master plan was drawn in 1958, just after independence, aiming to modernize the capital. Over time, spatial planning has been uneven. After the 1966 coup, there was a lull in major planning until the 1990s, when a more integrated plan for the Greater Accra metropolitan area was developed. More recently, planning efforts have focused on economic corridors, like Kwame Nkrumah Circle or Ensawan, CBD, Mallam Kasoa, that also function as key road arteries, road types, interchanges and infrastructure upgrades. The Accra-Tema motorway, built in the 1960s, is one of Ghana's earliest highway-style roads, featuring dual carriageways, restricted access, no U-turns, no pedestrian crossings mid-road, with controlled entry and exit points. Several major interchanges and flyovers have been built to ease traffic at congested nodes. Kwame Nkrumah Interchange, a three-tier interchange replacing the old circle. In central Accra, Flower Pot Interchange, designed to improve flow between northern and southern corridors of the Accra-Tema motorway. Here's a summary of how Osu, the center and a key area of Accra, has been built and transformed over time, based on historical, colonial, and modern developments. 1. Traditional origins and early settlement. Osu was originally a Gardengme settlement, part of the indigenous coastal communities before colonial influence. Its location along the coast made it an early trading point with indigenous fishermen and traders. 2. Colonial era influence. The Danish built a fort, Christiansborg Osu Castle, in the mid-170th century, around 1659, establishing Osu as a colonial administrative and trading hub. Over time, the fort and surrounding area passed between colonial powers, Danish, Portuguese, British, each contributing to building roads, administrative buildings, and layout around the fortress. Colonial planners laid out roads radiating from the castle or fort, connecting it with other parts of Accra and to the ports. 3. Post-colonial urban growth. After Ghana's independence, 1957, Osu became more integrated into Accra's urban structure. Its proximity to Ghana's administrative zone and the coast made it attractive for commercial development. The Oxford Street corridor in Osu developed as a major commercial and entertainment axis, turning many residential plots into shops, restaurants, offices, and malls. 4. Modern transformation and commercialization. Osu increasingly shifted from a quiet residential area to a commercial hub. Many houses along prime roads, e.g. Oxford Street, have been converted or demolished for commercial structures.